Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗶𝗀 from Sharekhan 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗶. Today we have an update on silver. 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗀 silver has breached a symmetrical triangle formation as the prices have also breached the trendline resistance. Prices have closed above the short-term 20 days exponential moving average, which is at 71,260, which would act as a support for the day. The momentum indicator RSI has a positive crossover as it moves out of the oversold zone, supporting the bullish bias, with the reversal for the bullish move being around the level of 70,800. Thus, a buy on dip strategy could be used for the day, targeting the level of 72,600 and 72,800 for the day, which is the recent swing highs for the precious metal. Hence, we expect silver to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.